Coron, Palawan. So I went out, came to have my dinner at Om's Thai restaurant. I actually went here because I'm craving for a tom yum. So I already missed the tastes of Bangkok, so I'm so excited about my dinner for tonight. So yeah, and actually guys, this restaurant has a live band, so and you can also sing if you want for free. So I am here at the second floor of their restaurant. Oh my god, as you can see guys, my eyes are like really tired because I just woke up and straightly went out of my accommodation because I'm starving. I'll just have to wait for my dinner now, and I will see you guys after. I think there is missing here cilantro. I'm looking for the cilantro. Bon appetit!
So shaking.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and it's actually 11 o'clock in the evening, I believe. Yeah, it's 11:31 in the evening, and I'm currently sitting here in front of the reception of our accommodation. So I'm just chilling out here and watching some videos while using the free Wi-Fi. Actually, the Wi-Fi is not available inside our room, so you have to go to areas wherein the Wi-Fi is available. This is my first night, and it's gonna be just a chilling night for me, and I would like just to sleep because I haven't got any sleep for the past few days. So I'm very happy that I'm here because it's quiet, and yeah, let's make some new friends in here.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So for today's video guys, it's gonna be just a sit down video wherein I am going to tell you a story of my departure in Manila and also my arrival here in Coron, Palawan. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So actually guys, our flight from Manila to Coron was delayed for like 15 minutes due to the bad weather in Manila. It was gloomy when I was out from the house going to the airport, and I think there is a storm coming and it's heading towards the north of Luzon, Philippines. So yeah, I actually booked my flight with Cebgo or Cebu Pacific Go as you may call it, but it's like a small aircraft. It's not a jet type of airline, or it's a small air bus. I don't know what they call it, but it has a wheel. So I'm gonna show you guys the picture of our aircraft. So it's pretty small, and also the passengers that I'm with on that flight, I think all of us are Filipinos and no foreigners. Actually, that's good because my nose will be bleeding if ever I get encountered with foreigners, you know, if they ask questions. So anyway, after that, we arrived here in Francisco B. Reyes Airport at around, I think, almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. When you arrive, guys, you have to go to the arrival area, of course, and then you have to go to the kiosk and present your confirmed proof of accommodation, guys, and it should be Department of Tourism certified hotel, okay? If ever hindi ka pa nakapagpabook ng hotel mo, you can actually look at their list. Kasi meron silang list na provide for you to be able to go to Agoda or Booking.com or on their website of the hotel, and you can directly or immediately book your accommodation. So after showing your booking confirmation, guys, actually guys, you can definitely show electronic copy or paper copy. So if you like using your phone, then you can just show it from your phone. And if you are type of a guy that uses or print paper, like everything, your flight booking, your vaccination certificate are on paper, then you may do so. That's what I did actually, because we have a printer in the house, so that's very convenient for us to print anything we want. So anyway guys, tapos ang patalastas. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the environmental fee, because after you show your booking, you go ahead and get your luggage. So it's pretty smooth and very fast transaction when you arrive here in Francisco B. Reyes or Busuanga Airport. Actually, I'm looking for my wallet, and this is my wallet. I thought it's in my bag, but I'm gonna show you guys the ticket of the environmental fee, which costs 200 pesos, guys. So after paying your environmental fee, guys, you go ahead to the van terminal and then show your address or address of your accommodation, or what's the name of your hostel, hotel, inn, whatsoever you call it, so they can guide you on where you would want to go. Then after that, guys, I arrived here in my, actually this is a hostel. It's a dormitory type of accommodation, and it's actually pretty cheap, and I book it on agoda.com. I book it on the application rather. So gulo. So when I arrived here, guys, the room is actually not ready. I don't know why, but the reception told me that I have to wait for a few minutes for them maybe to clean the room, or maybe there is a tourist still that's checking out of the hotel. So I think that was it. I went upstairs because they have a rooftop. It's actually a pub, and also there is a mini pool out there, and also a very beautiful scenery, guys, overlooking mountain scenery. So after that, exploring the rooftop, guys, there's a lot of foreigners actually, and this one, guys, all the staff here are very friendly. Like you can talk to them like ate or anything you call them, but yeah, you call them by name, but I call them ate or beshi or momshi. I don't know. Okay, patalastas again. So after that, guys, I was hungry, so I went out. So I asked the receptionist where to eat good food, and it's cheap, and of course they guided me. So I took tricycle to go to Andok. The tricycle is I think 20 pesos per ride. So yeah, I went to Andox and ate my lunch. Actually, I ate around 1 o'clock p.m. So yeah, and after that I called Jenny and said, hi, I'm here already in Palawan, like that. I called my family. So after eating my late lunch, guys, I went for a walk for a little bit because it was a nice weather. It's so sunny. So I put on my sunnies, and I dropped by to this pharmacy wherein I bought some medicines and some personal stuff. So actually, guys, if you're planning to visit Palawan, no, you don't need to bring your personal hygienes, etc., because you can buy it here in Palawan, and it's quite affordable compared to Boracay. The prices of Boracay is really high, guys. Believe me. But in Coron, guys, I went to the pharmacy and it's just like a normal prices everywhere. I think so. But and after that, I went back to the hotel where I am staying right now. And luckily my room is available and yes, ready to mingle to friends. Actually, I booked a room with 4 bedrooms or 2 bunk beds. I was shocked. Why? Because I was the only one who is Filipino in that room, and all of them are French, guys. So I'm so shy. I'm just shy. So I asked the receptionist if she can transfer me to a room with Filipinos so I can, you know, communicate well, because my English is not too good, guys. I'm not confident enough to speak in English because I'm still practicing though, but yeah. It's good that we are practicing, right? But then my shyness really on the highest level. So, oh my god, I don't think I can be with him because I'm a Filipino. I mean, I don't know. I'm just shy, guys. I'm not racist whatsoever. Don't be paranoid, but I'm just super shy. I don't want to be out of place, guys. So I asked the receptionist. She's very kind, and so she transferred me to this same room. She transferred me to another room, but the same beds, the same number of beds, and they are all Filipinos. And then I met the owner, guys. I don't know if he is the owner, but he is half Serbian and half Croatian. His name is Terry. Thank you, Terry, because you helped me. You knocked on my door and asked me for an upgrade of my stay here. Alright? So he asked me if it's okay if I can upgrade to another room, which has only 1 bunk bed. So actually this is for 2, but then it's available. So he let me sleep here for 2 nights, 2 or 3 nights. I think 3 as far as I can remember. But anyway, I'm thankful because I'm a shy type of girl and kind of introvert, and socializing is really hard for me. That's why I'm traveling. I'm trying to explore alone, guys. I'm a solo traveler because I want to make new friends and I want to make my confidence back again. Because I've been off from work for like 2 months or more than 2 months already. And yeah, I will be staying here in Coron, Palawan for 13 days. Then after that, I will be going back to work as a medical allied of Shearwater Health in Taguig, and I'll be working night shift and yeah, make money again and then travel again and then make money again and save and make money again and then travel. So I think that's a cycle of my life until I find the right one for me. Yeah. So while you're single, guys, you have to travel and explore. I think so, to boost your maturity and to boost your confidence. So I just want to thank Mr. Terry for giving me the opportunity to stay here alone in this one room all by myself. Very nice. So there is no room tour, guys, because this is just plain bunk bed. As you guys can see that there's one up there, and then here is the other one. Yeah, yan. And then it's so funny, guys, because not funny, but it's so nice because here is your cabinet. 1 and 2. That's the cabinet, guys. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Of course, this is gonna be a very short room tour. So let's start with I'm just gonna flip the camera. All right, so let's start with the door, guys. That's the door. So there are few reminders here. Yeah, I don't know, guys, if that's visible, but I think it's readable. They have electric fan, and there's also light switch light, and then some rules, of course, health standards, and some emergency hotlines. That's the bed, guys. There's a light just beside your bed, and the outlet also is already there. They also provide towel, pillow and also blanket. Actually guys, mag-deposit ka ng 1,000 libre para magamit mo yung ganyan. Kaso, sabi ni ate, because she's really nice, just get my ID, my valid ID. And I did not deposit 1,000 pesos for blanket, towel, and pillow. And also, I have one window over there with a shade. And also, I got myself air conditioner. 2 hooks for your towel, for your wet towels, and some lights again. Yep, more lights. Oops, actually guys, it's bedtime. It's past 11:30 in the evening, and I just go ahead and go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and find some food, maybe just rest. I don't know, but I just want to rest. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share your comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel, guys, for more videos just like this. And I hope you're doing okay out there, wherever you are in the world. I will see you guys next time. Bye.